many fried rices on YouTube.
There are.
So but I came across one and I said, oh my gosh, this one, it beat them all.
And which one was that?
From Kiki Foodies. Kiki Foodies.
Kiki Foodies is doing so well. I watched his videos the last time. He has so many recipes on his channel.
Yeah.
But I don't know the one you're talking about, though. Which one is that?
It's Kiki Foodies. Fried rice, seafood fried rice.
Wow. So it not use
watching
any
that video, I'm hungry and I want to prepare some for you guys.
You're hungry, eh?
Very hungry because the food is tempting. She prepared it so well, and aroma.
You are fond of the scent stuffs. I don't know.
The things she
used. I don't know which kind of nose you have. So
we have already swapped it, but so it's like your nose. The swapping didn't work well. I will take back my nose.
Because it's yours, so you know how to control it well. It's not mine. I'll give you back your nose. Okay, so
in fact, the seafood fried rice, she presented it so well. Okay. She prepared it so well. Wow. Just using the normal things. But what I loved about that is she used lobsters, just seafood.
Let's watch the video and come back.
Let's watch the videos and come back. Are you hungry?
I now understand why you are saying it's very tempting. It's very, very tempting. The food was so yummy. Yes, the appearance, the sight of it alone, is very tempting.
Daddy is blowing the horn. I think I have to get up and go and prepare this fried rice for him.
Sure.
All right. So, the ingredients she used, awesome. The way she prepared it, awesome. And she just ignored all the
meaty stuff
and then used lobsters.
Yeah.
I think
she used shrimps as well.
A standing ovation.
Yeah, she deserved it.
Yeah.
She
did well.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try that this evening. Yes.
And she fried fresh salmon. She chopped them into pieces and fried them as well. And when she peeled off the lobsters, the skin, she prepared them as well. She did not throw. I thought she was about to throw them away, but she added it to the meal. And it's another way I've learned today. I'm really learning a lot.
Yeah, you are learning. So you are going to train your...
I'm learning.
Incoming...
I'm learning.
Wifey.
So she will be very lucky.
I can't wait for that day. I can't wait for that day. But
very soon.
Fine, let me go and prepare some. Whether it will be the same as Kiki Foodies. Because at the end of the day, the food was yummilicious. Wow, it was tempting. I feel like just going to her with my plate at the door so that she'll give me some. So, yes, coming back, I've prepared my own and my family enjoy it. So I learned from Kiki.
So we can try this as well.
Yeah.
When you don't have any meat, you feel like you are fed up with eating meat, chicken and stuff, so you want to try another way of cooking for your fried rice, go for the seafood style.
Yeah, for me, you already know.
Oh yeah.
No meat, so I love that thing.
Yeah,
so Kiki Foodies, thank you. If you don't have her, please go check her channel and you see amazing and super delicious recipes there. So lovely viewers, that's all we have for you.
Yeah.
And so if you eat this seafood fried rice from Kiki Foodies, you will feel refreshed. You poop out all the bad fat. And your tummy flat. So go for it. Go for it.
Okay. That is where we draw the curtains to an end, viewers.
Yeah. So stay healthy.
Remember to leave your comments and stay healthy. Exercise. Drink a lot of water.
Yeah.
And life goes on. You stay healthy always.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.